Do you want glowing, tightened skin, glassy skin using just 3 ingredients from your kitchen? In this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 natural ingredients that you can use to glow your skin, to fade your dark spot, to look more younger than your age, to wake up your sleeping skin, to bright your dull skin. My queens, stay tuned with me because definitely I'm going to apply this treatment to my face for you guys to see the magic of this treatment. It is very powerful homemade treatment, natural things from your kitchen. And the beautiful part of it, if you have dark spots, acne, sun damage, name it, whatever that you have, or your skin type, you have an oil skin type, you have a normal skin type, you have a dry dehydration skin type, you have a combination skin type, you have an acne prone skin type, or you have a sensitive skin type or premature skin type, whatever that is the skin type that you have, this treatment is going to help you. So stay tuned because as I said, I will definitely going to take you guys along to show you how you can prepare it and how you can apply it. As you can see, my face is dry, right? I wash my face, but definitely I'll wash it again for you guys to see. Even you can use your cleanser to clean your face very well before you apply. And this treatment, after you make it, is very beautiful time is to use it at night. Let's stop talking and divert to the video, my queens. My queens, before we mix our ingredients, let's talk about why this work. First, let's start with our egg white. Egg white, it's I'm already removed my egg white, but I'm just showing you the raw egg to you people. So when you remove the raw and the yellow one, you can just fry your thing and eat, or whatever that you want to use, you can use. But what you need here, this treatment, we need only the egg white. So egg white, it packed with protein and albumin, which help to tone the skin and promote tissue repair. So it's also giving you the instant lift feeling from your skin. Egg white is a very powerful. So my queens, after the egg white, the next ingredient was my cornstarch. I'm adding cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is not just for cooking, it is incredible for absorbing excess oil and also smoothing any redness and irritation from your skin. So it's very powerful. And the next thing is honey. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of honey inside. My queens, I added half tablespoon of honey inside. Now you can see how smooth my cream is looking, my face cream is looking, my face mask is looking. I use white, egg white, cornstarch and honey. These only 3 things, and I know you have it in your kitchen. Definitely you have it. If you don't have it, but there is a place that you can just gap it very fast. So now after mix all my mixture, the next thing, I went back and washed my face again and using my cotton pad to be wiping my face. You can use soap even to wash your face thoroughly, or you use your cleanser to clean your face very thoroughly. Make sure that there's no any oil or anything. Make sure your face is clean before you apply this treatment. And the best way that you need to do it, you can do it at night, because daytime is not good for you to use this and go under the sun again. Or if you do it in the daytime, you are going out, then you can use sun cream to protect your skin. Okay. And also when you apply, it's not like you have to apply like this and leave it. Stay tuned with me because I will teach you guys after it's dry and you wash, the best way that you can do to protect your skin, to get the glassing and smoothest skin that you are looking for. how to achieve it with this treatment, you need to watch to the end and see the magic, my people. So my people, the honey also is also having natural humectants. It's also locking moisture to your skin and also having antibacterial property. It's very very powerful. This treatment is very very powerful. It will make your skin, if you have a dark spot, is going to clean it. If you have the only thing, even you can also use brush, or you use your hand to do what, to massage your, making a circle on your face. You can use it for all your body, but for you to keep it all your body, you have to make it a quantity bag. Now this is here I'm storing my thing to keep it inside the fridge. It can take me like 3-4 days before I throw away or I make new bag. Or it's not going to be like that, because like if I use it with all my body also, it cannot be up to 3 days, because I didn't make it too much quantity amount. So if you want to use it all your body, your arms, your elbows, your inner parts, your armpits, wherever that you have a dark, the place is very dark and you are not feeling comfortable, try to do what you can try to use it. Now guys, you can see my face is dry, right? It's dry, but you can peel it at the same time. You can just go and wash it. But for me, sorry my people, I'm not feeling well, but I'm editing this video. I'm not used, I usually like to wash my face. Because why did I like to wash my face? I love to wash my face because, so if you try to peel, maybe sometimes your eyebrow, you put it inside your hair, it can remove hair from your eyebrow. You don't like it that way, so it's better you just use warm water, or you go and take shower. So now my people, after I finish taking my shower, the next thing, as you guys can see, that is my rose oil. This thing is very very powerful. I'm not saying you also should use rose oil. If you have it, why not? And vitamin E oil. So vitamin C oil, this vitamin C oil I prepare it by myself. That one you can check my channel and see how you can do to make your own vitamin C oil. By the rosemary and vitamin E oil, that one I brought it from market. So the oil, first thing, I'm going to put some few drop of rose oil into my arm and add my vitamin E oil, also some few drop of vitamin E oil also I'm dropping. So after vitamin E oil, I'm going to add my vitamin C oil. So this is the vitamin C oil that I did for myself. So after that, after vitamin C oil, now I'm going to use it to massage circle, to make sure I massage my face very well. Guys, I haven't finished. The way I'm touching, I love what I'm touching. I love what my face is looking, my people. Imagine, look, imagine, just look at it. I'm not going to talk. Please go back and screenshot the beginning, my picture. Go and screenshot it and now and come and see this. You can see the big changes, right? There's a big gap. So this thing is very very good, especially sometimes even if I get some stress, because the hormone stress or something like that, I love to use this treatment. It will make you, your fine lines to get normal again. So this treatment is very very powerful, my people. Imagine, look at my face. I love what I'm watching. I love my skin. I really love it, and I know my skin every day is changing. It's proving, because consistency is proving, because of consistency. I'm not giving up. So natural ingredients, if you are using it, do not expecting it to work for you one night. It will not. There's not any magic for one night. The only thing you need is consistency. Consistency will bring you to this point. My face, I used to have too much of acne on my face, but now guys, have a dark spot because of the pimples. The past, I was having pimples too much on my face. Now there's not any pimples again on my face. The only thing that you can see is the dark spot. But now I can only get a pimple sometimes when I get a little bit stressed, or when I eat granite. That's the time that I can see maybe some stubborn pimples can come out from my face. If not, no. So look, my people, do you love what you are seeing? Please give me like and subscribe to this channel if you love natural things, okay? And also tell me where you are watching me from, and definitely I will try my best. Tell me what you want to see next. Your next video, what do you want me to see to make for you people? Let me know so that I will prepare that video for you people. My queens, I have a carrot body butter selling, so that one I'm showing to you people. That's my carrot body butter. So if you want to buy, please, you can send me DM. You can DM me through from Facebook. That also name is Princesshaircare, or you can DM me on Instagram for my to patronize me my thing. Okay, so we don't have website for now, so but you can patronize me and buy some for me. I love that. Yeah, just imagine.